Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And so this is my channel details. Okay, train your brain. And I've started posting with respect to Python. Okay, all the Python tutorials. So I'm just posting it on day-by-day basis. So please look into this Python tutorial for beginners and mastering Pythonic with respect to arithmetic. So now I'm going to talk about conditional statements. Okay, let me have my pen. So conditional statements is nothing but based on some condition, your output will get printed. Okay, simple. So loops only, it is very, very important. So I'm teaching, my target is to make the people like 12th grade or who's studying college first year and who's not at all even having a single knowledge about programming. I'm concentrating only on those people because they don't have any idea on which skill they need to develop. So coming to Python, see, everything is becoming automated, friends. Right? As you guys know, this customer support, BPO, those things are getting automated. The bot is getting created. So automation process keep on booming. So learning some skills like SQL, Python, or some visualization tools like Power BI, Tableau is really gonna help you, whatever domain you're going in. Okay. So please concentrate. And it is kind of very, very, very from the scratch. Okay, very, very easy. I'm just teaching you like how I learned. Okay, so conditional statement is nothing but just giving a condition, right? Based on the condition, you'll be getting your output. So if you see here, they are given simple, age is 18. Okay, the person age is 18. So the syntax is if, else. Okay, or it will go like if, else if, finally else. Or if, else if, else if, else if. Lot of conditions you can give at the end, else. Like this. Okay, so if a person's age is 18, if the age is greater than or equal to 18, print you are eligible to vote. Okay, else print you are not eligible to vote yet. Okay, simple as it is. Just see how we speak. Okay, give me this. If it is not there, give me this. Okay, we are going for a shop and asking for something. It's the same kind of statement. Give me this. If not, give me this. So if this particular, whatever terminologies you want to use in your program, in whatever logic you're writing it, if age is greater than or equal to 18, print this, else print me this. Okay, this is a simple conditional statement. You can also develop a lot else if statements and can go through it. Okay, and now let's come through loops. Okay, so loops, we have for loop, while loop. Okay, while loop is not that much used nowadays, but we'll go through that one by one. And then simple example team. It's kind of a short videos only I'm posting so that you can go through it quickly and utilize it for your studies. Okay, for loop. So what is a for loop is used for? Talking about for loop. Okay, for loop is used to iterate over a sequence. Okay, iterate. Keep these words, whatever words I'm telling you, you can utilize it whenever you're appearing for any interviews or talking some technical words. Okay, so for loop is used to iterate over sequence, some sequence. Okay, it will follow. Like, see, if you are assigning list, tuples, strings, we'll talk what are these in our another video. Okay, we call this range. Okay, so what it does is it allows you to execute a set of statements for each item in a sequence. Okay, what it does, it allows you to execute a set of statements. Okay, set of statements for each item in a sequence. Okay, so for item in a sequence, this is a syntax. This is just a syntax. So I'm just giving a list of fruits. Okay, this is how we assign list. Fruits is equal to whatever we know that this is a variable name. Whatever name you want, you can give it. Fruits, just or data. Any name you can give it over here. Okay, this we already discussed. So fruits, I'm just giving it in a list. Okay, list means giving something inside the square bracket. Apple, banana, cherry. So for fruit, see if you notice here, okay, this is the syntax for item and sequence, right? This is the basic syntax. Okay, so wait. This is the code block that needs to be executed fully. Okay, so the loop variable, right? The loop variable. Okay, we'll talk about this. Wait, let me erase it. If you see here, okay, for item in sequence, okay, after this, I'll be writing, leave this fruits and all. After this, I'll be writing some lines of codes. Okay, so the loop variable here, the loop variable is item. This is the loop variable. Okay, item is the loop variable. Takes on the value of each item in the sequence. Okay, it takes the value of each items in the sequence one by one. Okay, one by one until the sequence is empty, exhausted. We call it as exhausted until the sequence is exhausted. Right? Hope I'll repeat it again. Okay, for loop is nothing but just concentrate on this line. For item and sequence, okay, this is how we represent our loop. The loop variable, that is item, takes on the value of each item in the sequence one by one until the sequence is exhausted. Okay, until it becomes empty. So let's see the example, this one. I'm just giving a list with saving it in a variable name, fruits, apple, banana, cherry. So for fruit in fruits. Okay, so this fruit will take first apple, then print me the apple. Then next, my fruit will take, what is next in the fruits? Banana I have. So let me erase this and write it as banana. Now it will take banana and print me banana. Then what else it will take next is my cherry. So this fruit, this fruit will take the list of items in the fruits and then print it. So your output will be this, friends. Whatever input you want, you can give it and try it out. So this is how the for loop works. Okay, this is the syntax. Okay, and this is the example. So fruits is equal to apple, banana, cherry. For apple in fruits, print apple. For banana in fruits, print banana. For cherry in fruits, print cherry. If you are clear in this logic, whatever complicated code we have, we can simply write it. Okay, so this one, you are giving a name for this. So give a name, give a variable name in the for loop. This is the for loop variable name. Okay, so then take each list name. Okay, each name assigned in the list and then print me that as an output. Simple, right? Fine. So the output, I'll run the code at the end. Okay, just a for and while loop will run the code at the end. For not an issue, I can run it now. Okay, so I've just assigned a list of fruits. That's it. And then for. So it will first take apple, banana, cherry. I can add some more also. It's up to us. Okay, this is my fruit's name. Okay, it will arrange me. And while writing for loop, make sure after this codes, if you give enter, you will be start writing your conditions here. Okay, you will be start writing your conditions here. Okay, it will automatically come to this place. Okay, we call this as indentation. Okay, so in error, whenever you're getting this indentation error is nothing but space error. Okay, indentation error. So this space, 4-line space, 4 space you will be getting. So if you're getting this indentation error, for sure you need to check for the space, whether you have given correct space or not. Okay, coming to while loop. So let me talk about while loop. Right? A while loop repeatedly executes a block of codes as long as a given condition is true. Okay, so you are giving a condition. Okay, you are giving a condition, right? And your while loop will repeatedly execute. Okay, for example, it will execute a block of code as long as the condition is true. Okay, so when it is useful, when you want to repeat an operation until a certain condition is met. Okay, so if you want to keep on repeat it until the condition is true, then you can use this while loop. So the basic syntax is this: while condition. Then here you will be writing the code block that needs to be executed. So I have written it here. So let's talk about while and what is the condition you're going to give here. So while the loop continues executing the code block until the condition becomes false. Correct? So be careful to avoid infinite loops by ensuring that the condition eventually becomes false. Okay, how? We can see the example here. So here, okay, let me just write this as example. Okay, here also. Okay, I told you in Python, if you use this hash, okay, this command symbol, then that particular line will not get executed. Okay, this is how you write the command. So count is equal to 1. While this count, whatever the condition we are giving here in while loop, see, this is the place we need to give the condition. Count is less than or equal to 5. Okay, print count, then increment it. Okay, this is just check everything. If I run this, oh, it's already done. While count is greater than or equal to 5, print count. I'm just showing you the difference. Okay, see, it is an infinite loop. It is keep on running. See this one. See this red color? It is keep on running now. It's an infinite loop because there is no stop or break. Nothing is there in my while loop. Okay, so I'm just stopping this one to get printed. See, when the count is equal to count plus 1. Okay, so add like plus addition. Okay, so when my count is 1, print the count. Again, plus 1, 2, print me the count. Plus 2, 3. Okay, you know that if we are writing something like this, count is equal to count plus 1. It is 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. And then 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. See here, my condition is if count is less than or equal to 5. Once the count has become 5, stop it. This is my condition. Okay, so until this, your condition is true. After this, what will I get? 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. At that time, my condition is false because it is greater than 5. So whenever your condition becomes false, your loop stops. Okay, this is how the while loop works, friends. Okay, so simple. You can also use break and continue statement within loops to control the flow of execution. We have something called break, continue. Okay, within your loops to control the flow of execution. So what is this break is used for? Break is used to exit the loop prematurely. Okay, it is not completed. Okay, it exits Wherever you're giving break, it just exits, but complete flow is not done. While continue is used to skip the rest of the code block and move on to the next iteration. That is, it will print 1, 2, 3. And if I given continue here, it will leave 4, 5, 6, 7, it will give us. Okay, so this is with respect to for loop, while loop, and basically this is how the loops works. Okay, so the people, those who don't want sit and go through all the things from the basic, this is just an hint. Just go through the video and you can, I'm damn sure you can able to attend the basic questions. Okay, no need to sit and read everything from the scratch. Just a heads up I'm giving whatever it is going through in our real world data or real world technical skills. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. So please subscribe the channel so that you'll be getting the updates on a regular basis with respect to short and sweet programs, right? Thank you.